Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your PC meets requirements. This avoids wasted time later. Once done, install the latest GPU drivers and DirectX and add the Visual C++ runtime so the emulator runs. Next, download a trustworthy emulator build and place it in a clean folder. Make sure any game files are legally obtained and copied to a game's directory. Finally, run the emulator once to generate default configs. This creates folders you will edit in the next step. You now configure the emulator for performance and compatibility. Choose Vulkan if your GPU supports it because it often gives the best speed. Otherwise, pick DirectX 12. Then set CPU thread count to match physical cores, enable shader caching, and create a dedicated cache folder. Map your controller in the input panel and point the emulator to the game folder or ISO. Adjust output resolution and scaling to balance FPS versus clarity. After saving, launch the game to observe initial performance and logs. You should now run the game and watch performance metrics closely. If frame rate dips, lower render resolution or enable frame limiting. If stutters occur, clear or rebuild the shader cache and retry. Should the game crash or refuse to boot, open the emulator log file to find errors, update to the latest emulator build, and confirm drivers are current. One key troubleshooting tip: if a game hangs at load, switch the GPU backend or toggle asynchronous shaders. This often resolves compatibility stalls.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.